Coach Hen does it again, coaching you right into financial success. I want to thank you for tuning in. I really appreciate you stopping by to check out my videos. Today's video is all about how to put in an order in Robinhood for a put option. P-U-T, put option. Okay? Don't forget to like the video. And guess what? Don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to leave a comment as well, okay? All right. We want everybody to win. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Here we go. Let's touch the search bar. Let's type in a stock symbol of interest, which for this example, we'll use TFC for Truist Financial. Let's touch trade, then trade options. Now we'll touch the down arrow for long put. Now we'll scroll over to select our strike price. Our expiration date, which in this case is the third week of November, November the 15th. We'll touch put. We'll choose a strike price of $45, which is just above our current price, which is $43.15. So let's select that. Okay. Then let's type in long put. Okay, we've got one. We'll go with one contract, which represents 100 shares. Okay. We'll touch the price area. So let's choose something in the middle of our bid and our ask price. Our bid price is $2.85. Our ask price is $2.94. So let's just choose $2.90. Okay. That's not a guarantee that the order will process unless you choose it right at the ask price, which is $2.94. But you can save money by maybe pricing it in the middle. So I usually price it in the middle to see if I could get it to execute at the that price, which saves me a little bit of money. So we'll go with that. But you can kind of tinker with that, maybe go a little lower than in between the bid and the ask. Unless you just want to make sure you execute that thing, then just go right at the ask price, which would be $2.94. But again, in this case, we'll go with $2.90, okay? I just want to show you how to at least complete an order, all right? Now, you notice at the bottom that the total price of this transaction is $290.03. That's because, again, one contract for an option represents 100 shares. So if you multiply that $2.90 times 100, your cost will be the $2.90. And then there's like a little 3 cents transaction fee, something like that Robinhood puts into place, I think. And then we click review and then swipe up. And there's your order. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to leave a great comment for us. We appreciate you. Let's make some money.